In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson XP432 or 435 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. We suggest you, before you download this resetter, to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows real-time protection and a temper protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After that, you can download this resetter, the link on pinned comments. After you download this resetter, you can just right click on your resetter files, okay, like this, and then select extract all. In here, you can open the resetter folder. Then you can run the adjustment program files. In here, to select your Epson XP432 or 435, you can click select button and select model name. You can select here. And destination, you can using Euro or Belgium for your printer mid. Select Euro, for example. Then you can click auto selection or detect manual for your printer. Just click OK. Select particular adjustment mode for the next step and select washing pad counter and click OK. Please click on main pad counter option here. Then you can click check button. After that, you can click initialize button. If you encounter an error here, you can try to repeat the resetting process or try to move your USB printer to another port on your computers. After that, you can click finish. Then you can close the resetter and turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. And that's all. Tutorial how to reset Epson XP432 or 435 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.